In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a board in Monday.com. Duplicating a board is really useful when you already have a layout, structure, or workflow that works well, and you want to reuse it without rebuilding everything from scratch. Maybe you've designed a great project tracker, a content calendar, or a task pipeline, and now you just want the same setup for a new client or a new month. That's exactly what we'll walk through in this tutorial. First, open Monday.com and go to the board you want to copy. You can find it from your workspace side panel, your favorites, or by using the search bar at the top of the screen. Make sure you're actually inside that board, looking at the groups, items, and columns you want to duplicate. This is important because whatever is currently on this board is what your copy will be based on. Once you're on the board, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see an icon with 3 small dots, sometimes called the More or Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu with additional settings and actions for this board. From this drop-down, look for the option labeled More Actions. This is where Monday.com keeps some of the less frequently used but still powerful tools for managing your board. Go ahead and click on More Actions. When you do, another submenu will appear. In this submenu, you'll see an option called Duplicate Board. This is the feature we need to create a copy. Click on Duplicate Board. Depending on your plan and setup, you may see a few duplication choices like copying the structure only or copying the structure with items and maybe even updates. Take a second to read the description on screen so you understand exactly what's going to be included in your new board. After you've chosen how you want to duplicate the board, Monday.com will show you a confirmation step with a button labeled Duplicate. This is your final check before the system creates the copy. When you're ready, click on Duplicate. Monday.com will now create a new board based on the original one. You'll usually see it appear in the same workspace, often with a similar name plus the word copy or a small variation. From there, you can rename it, adjust any details you need, and start using your